Iran's counter strategy is simple. They know militarily they are no match for the America-Israel combined.
Correct.
And some NATO countries could also join in.
Correct.
You know, Britain has refused and the others have refused, but they could also join in. So Iran knows that it cannot win. But the Iranian strategy can be summed up in that Urdu phrase, "Hum to doobenge sanam, tumko bhi le doobenge." We'll go down, but we'll take you down with us. So what was the Iranian strategy? Iran has 3,000 missiles. About half of them are medium-range ballistic missiles like Fateh 1, Fateh 300, Khurram Shahar,
Correct.
Shahbab, etc., Idlis. These are the medium-range missiles, 1,500 to 2,500 kilometers range. And they have almost about 2,000 of them. Then they have short-range ballistic missiles, which
They've
can
also
hit the
probably
American bases.
got some underwater tunnels to
They have
strike US
underwater
warships.
tunnels to block the Gulf of Hormuz, entrance 21 miles wide, mouth of the
Hormuz.
Gulf of Hormuz. They've got coastal batteries, right? So the Iranian strategy was that the moment you hit us, we will not do a proportionate response like last time.
We'll also go all guns
We
blazing.
will go all out. We will hit Israel with medium-range ballistic missiles, hypersonic ballistic missiles, hypersonic cruise missiles. Now please bear in mind that in Ukraine, American Patriots, American THAADs have not been able to stop the hypersonic cruise missiles which can change direction.
Yeah.
They are not a ballistic trajectory which the computer can predict and knock out. Right? The Orshenik is one example, the Kinzhal, the Iskandar, all of them are hypersonic. They have not been able to stop these. So the fact of the matter is that even in last June, a number of Iranian missiles had gotten through and done pretty severe damage, which quite obviously the American media controls the global media and the media narrative. So they were saying nothing happened, but the fact of the matter is about 50 billion worth of damage was done to Israel by the Iranian missile arsenal.